Hi guys, we're at Moore Road and Rancho Festoso again. And I have some awesome news. Don't be shocked if I yell, but I'm not going to. The road is actually officially repaved, as I passed this thing multiple times, and now I'm getting you another pedestrian mud video for it. And these have not changed since then.
Wait.
Oh. Let's go check. See, look, they rewritten all the white lines over here. Someone left that around here. Let's just ignore it. Look, someone labeled this. Says, Valmont. It says right here. Let's check the countdown. I've got a perfectly good. This iPad is not as bad as the phone is because I have a cracked camera screen on here.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wait.
Oh, I made it go off again. The pedestrian's kind of out of sync of this thing. Listen. It says 17, but it says 18 up there. That's a little bit of a screw. That's kind of screwed up.
10, 9,
These lights right here are still the same, and that right there is still the same.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is one thing. I think this is starting to get a little weird. Okay. It's been going off. It's went off twice. Let's call this one.
Wait. Traveling west.
Oh, that one went off now.
Wait. Traveling north. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25,
Sounds like they fixed this one.
23, 22,
Yeah, they did.
21, 20, 19,
Maybe a little.
18, 17, 16,
I think I just.
15, 14,
This thing is
13,
not that bad.
12, wait, 11,
Come on.
9. Wait. Traveling north.
This thing is not. The road is all paved, and this thing is still running pretty good.
Wait.
But this right here is now out of sync of the pedestrian signal. There it goes again. This thing actually reminds me of a machine gun. Almost.
28, 27, 26.
There it goes.
25, 24, 23.
It's not out of sync anymore.
21,
It's a little minor glitch this thing has.
7,
I think this
16,
thing has a little bit of a minor
15,
glitch.
14.
This thing has a minor glitch,
12,
but
11,
I'm not going to.
9,
I'm not going to be mean about it because
7, 6,
it's still running pretty
5,
fine.
4, 3, 2.
No one's off now. Alright. Let's get this one called. One last time.
Wait. Traveling west.
They're gonna call that. It's gonna go off in a moment. It turned yellow. I'm not gonna cross it, so you'll get to see
Wait.
this one more time. That's it, guys.